Here's a video to show you how to make sure that this cable, ribbon cable in your dome camera is correctly seated. So this is the IPC 4K 18D, and sometimes you may get a resources unlimited error or something on your camera, and if you've just installed it, it's very possible that this was either loose from the factory, as I'm moving it you can see, or it was loosened while installing the camera. So the normal position of this little black bar is not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be inwards. So to fix your camera, if your tab is down like this, you want to prop it back up. So you can push down on this and lock it in place. This is a tab to lock this cable in place. To bring it back and loosen up the cable, you just use a small flathead screwdriver like the one I'm holding to loosen the cable, reposition it, and then lock it back in. Just make sure your camera is not powered while you're doing this. You don't use any drills or anything else to do this manipulation. And here what I'm doing is just pushing in and put it back in place. And this black strip is supposed to appear. It's normal, but now my cable is secure inside the camera and it's not moving around anymore. So that's all you need to do to make sure your ribbon cable is back in place properly. Thanks for watching.